Hi and welcome to In the Can. So today I've decided I'm going to be making Pao Chicken. So I've marinated my chicken for a little bit with cornstarch. I've got some oil in the pan. I'm going to add my chicken. And allow it to brown up. My recipe is going to be a little bit off because Kung Pao chicken is usually served over rice. I'm going to serve it with Vietnamese Vermicelli noodles because you get a lot of noodles in a package, and I need to use these noodles up. Also, I didn't have an onion, and I just didn't feel like going to the store to get an onion. So I'm going to be using green onions instead of an onion. So we're going to let this chicken brown up, and then I'll be right back. I'm using 2 chicken thighs, and I cut them up into bite-sized pieces. And to this I'm going to add 2 cloves of garlic, oh, the garlic smells good. Then I want to add a teaspoon of ginger, and I need to grab my grinder. I need half a teaspoon of ground Szechuan pepper. Then I'm going to add 6 dried chilies that I reconstituted. They've been soaking in water for about 10 minutes or so. Then it calls for 1 medium red pepper. I had small red, yellow, and orange peppers, so that's what I have. The snap peas are a optional addition. And since I didn't have an onion, I'm using green onion. I also want to add about a half a cup of carrot sticks. The recipe calls for 2 tablespoons of chicken stock, which I don't have, so I'm using 2 tablespoons of water. Then I want find it. 2 tablespoons of Hoisin sauce. Or Hoisin sauce. A tablespoon of soy sauce. A tablespoon of oyster sauce. And I'm going to turn the heat off. Add my vermicelli, my rice vermicelli. Oh, for goodness sakes. Stir that in to get it coated with the sauce. Oh, this is not quite enough sauce. I'm going to double the recipe on this. So I'm going to add 2 more tablespoons of Hoisin. A tablespoon of the oyster sauce. A tablespoon of soy sauce. And 2 more tablespoons of water. There, that coated the noodles. Give it a good stir to make sure the sauces are all mixed together. Make sure I get a good mixture of vegetables in with my dish. Top it off with a few peanuts. And there you have it. Let's give this a little taste here and see how we're doing. Nice, mild. I could have added a teaspoon, half a teaspoon of sriracha or gochujang to spice it up a bit. I think I'm going to add some gochujang to the pot. And get it mixed in. So it had a little bit of a kick to it. When I get my next plate full, but there you have it. Kung Pao chicken. Hopefully you enjoy this recipe. You'll give it a like. Please subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye.